It is 5:20 in the morning. We've ridden 380k. There are people that have been in there and slept and now already on their way back out, but there is, I know I said earlier I felt okay that I might be able to do it. There is no way in hell I will be able to ride that. I am exhausted, absolutely exhausted. No way would I be riding that now. It was such a nice sight to see this car park. I was like, oh my god, we're back. Took my bike in the car, go and tell them that I've not finished, and then head home for bed. I can't wait. Good morning from a secret 600. I say secret because come over here. I didn't want to say anything about it because this is the ride that I did last year and I had to bail at 400. It's a 600k basically. So if you're seeing this, it's gone well. Well, say gone well. Yeah, it has gone well. So yeah, the weather has been raining really bad the last few days. So very glad that it's dry and sunny. So got a bit of a plan just to ride it all basically. So yeah, this will be the longest distance that I've done in one go. So yeah, 600, well, I think it's 610k actually. So yeah, just all waiting to set off. Every time I'm a little bit excited, nervous, just want to get going. Just really want to get going, so. Oh, how exciting. I think the reason that I've not done anything before or let you know anything is because I didn't want to add the added pressure. So if it doesn't go well, then you won't be seeing this video. We are off! Oh, I'm very excited, very nervous and very grateful that it's quite dry and fairly warm, so let's see how we get on. 106k in, and again, bagels by bin. When I mentioned that in that video of All Points North, so many comments just really like that. I think it's the epitome of Orax. Bagels by bin. Maybe we should get that on a t-shirt. Hiya. It's a beautiful view. So heading up to about 200k. Feeling good. Mid-Audax purchase. So basically my Garmin won't charge on the go because the USB port is like wobbly. Yeah, it's a bit wobbly, so I'm just gonna have to like blue tack it and stick it in place. Let's have a go, see if it works. It's
oh no, I went and got soaked. I went to go to Bridlington and I decided to go to Blackpool.
Right, so it's been raining for what? How long? Half an hour? An hour?
Half an hour of rain. Yeah.
And then you decide now to put the overshoes on. Might have been on, but my feet are still wet. So I've done about 254k actually. 254k.
254 day. A bit more because I've done detours.
Have you?
Yeah.
But
I got lost. Should go. This was a road. They've gone and built a housing estate. Where am I supposed to go now?
But yeah, other than that, I mean, it's glorious. We've had pretty good weather up to yet, haven't we?
It's been good.
It's been good. So
Bridlington was lovely. It was sunny this morning.
Yeah.
Headwinds out, fine, but
now we're getting a little bit damp.
A little bit damp.
It is. We'll sort it. We'll sort it.
Given the weather
Right, let's
forecast,
go.
we're in
Yeah. Right, I'm going.
Tuesday, Wednesday.
It's about 305 or 10k in, and it is peeing down again. It is wet already. Hiya.
Welcome to summer in Britain. Wet and cold. It's June.
I know, we were just saying like,
Look,
this is meant to be summer.
Yorkshire's lovely. Sometimes.
Jesus Christ. It is wet, isn't it?
It is really wet. You just think, why are we riding
God.
600k?
Why? Why?
Film your bike.
Oh my god, right. In Castleford. What are we, 325, 23k?
325k.
And look what I've managed to get for food. Oh, it's vegan. veggies in black bean and rice. Oh my god, I'm going to devour this. It's literally midnight. I've just got back to Mytholmroyd, so like literally a couple of minutes, and I shall be back at the start. So I'm going to go and get a kit for a few hours, and then head back out for the last 230k. So I've done about 380k. I feel amazing. Last year, well, I'm back 5.5 hours earlier than I was last year. 5.5 hours, and I feel so strong. Just feel really good. I'm really, really happy. Happy, happy, happy. Okay, need to chill out. I don't know how I'm gonna sleep. Still feel wide awake. Can you hear the clock chiming? That is amazing. I love Lordax. I know you probably can't see me, but the facilities at this are insane. So like I've been loaned a towel so I could have a shower. The shower's here. They've put loads of food on for us. And then like there's air beds and there's like male and female rooms, and I've just got it. Don't worry, there's no one asleep. So I'm just gonna go and get on the air bed. Like, how good is that? I feel like, I don't know, I just feel like a bit of a princess, like I'm being properly spoiled. So yeah, I'm gonna go get in the sleeping bag now. It's about 12:30. So yeah, I'm gonna, and then they're setting a thing of like waking you up, say what time do you want to get woken up? I'm like, oh, maybe like 4:30. So I'm gonna have 4 hours kip and then see how I feel. But I just feel a bit like excited, like I just want to, I don't know, I hope I can sleep for a few hours. Okay, all right, I'll see you in like 4 hours. Morning. I think my GoPro battery has died, so hopefully I'll get some footage on my phone. Forgive me if I don't, I'll do a recap at the end anyway. So yeah, I had about 2 hours kip and just about to set off, so I just really hope it stays nice and dry. I am sleepy, but I am determined to do it today, so let's get a move on. Hello. We are, how many K have we done?
446.
446k. I'm outside Morrison's for breakfast. We've got bagels, crisps, and orange juice. Yeah, I'm feeling alright. Definitely feel better now we've just got into it. And then we're going to head off to Blackpool, which will be fun. See the Blackpool Tower? Yeah, it's been alright. It's dry. It looks sunny, so thumbs up. And I'm not tired, which is really good. I thought I might get a little bit sleepy, but all good. Feeling good, surprisingly. I'm going to get as many of these bagels eaten as I can. Look where I am. Woo, woo, oh, woo, woo, woo. Blackpool Tower, Blackpool Sea. So yeah, we are in Blackpool. We're about 480k in, so I think it's 130k back. We were flagging a bit, but every time we stop and have some chocolate milk, Alpro or Oatly is the best. Some bagels, more bagels. Yeah, it's nice. I actually really like Blackpool. I've not been in here in years. I'm like, oh, I might come back for the day. The weather is nice. I'm going to take some of these layers off because I am hot. But yeah, we were flagging. So it's just nice to have a sit down. So I'm going to go back, have a few more minutes before we set back off, back towards the start. Actually, we're not. We're actually going up and then down anyway. I'll see you in a little bit. We are at another forecourt. We're at 550k, so we've got 60k to do. And I've just finished it. I should have shared it, but I was eating a bagel by a bit because that's just how I roll. I'm so classy. So yeah, I'm feeling good, feeling okay. The only things that I saw is, let me show you, my hand. See there? Just a little bit sore. And I think I'm a little bit burnt.
Hi,
so hi, are you alright? So I'm going to get some sun cream on and then just head on the last 60k. It is 4 o'clock, so we've got, actually it's 3:30. So we've got like 5.5 hours, so hopefully it will be good. I'm having to get my short sleeves out because it's hot. It's very, very hot, so So there's not been much footage, as you can tell. This is on my phone. My phone is an old 6S, so the quality is not that good. I need to get a new phone actually, or just get another battery for my GoPro. Anyway, oh, there was one little bit back there though that the wind was, oh, it was awful. Just one big long open straight road. That was probably the worst bit, apart from the rain yesterday. But today that was probably the worst bit because it was just so strong. Anyway, see you in a little bit. So we are 1 mile from Mytholmroyd. We are about 608k maybe. And it rained for like the last 30k. So I'm ready to finish the Audax. The others are behind me. Whoop whoop. So, just got back to the control at the start and I am so happy and made up, especially after last year. And yeah, I'm just made up. I'm gonna go and get my brevet card last stamped, and yeah, I don't even feel that bad. I don't feel like I could want to ride another 100k, but I feel alright. Well done! Oh, so yeah, I think it was like 600, I don't know, over 600k, so I'm like, yeah.